Welcome back to my channel Basic Learning with SS. Today we will learn is usage in English grammar. Let's start. Is the third person singular form of the verb to be in the present tense. It is used 1. With singular subjects, he, she, it, or singular nouns. He is a doctor. She is happy. It is raining. The cat is sleeping. 2. In questions, inverting the subject and is he your brother? Is it cold outside? Is the book interesting? 3. In negative sentences, using not, he is not tired, he isn't tired. The room is not clean, the room isn't clean. 4. In contractions, he is, oh, he, she is, oh, she's, it is, oh, it's example, it's a beautiful day. It is a beautiful day. Easy tip. Use is when you are talking about one person, one thing, or one animal, and the action state is happening right now.